HUSA. EPV. ACHV.
SOL.
ENSC.
All right, thank you, Glenn. Yes. Okay, so getting started here. I am all right, so here's what we have going on this morning so far. I am now short a natural gas. I am short a natural gas. Short a natural gas, looking for a target of 21.45. I just bought into the mini Russell, entering right here with a target of let's see here. Okay, long the mini Russell with a target of 1804. 1804, target mini Russell long. US Tech, I put on US Tech about 10 minutes ago. Let's look at US Tech, which is also going to be the mini NASDAQ. Mini NASDAQ, my target is going to be 131.32 and a half. So still a little bit quiet this morning. And then finally,
ENSC.
let's see here. We are in the natural gas. Let's get short natural gas. And target 21.45. Gas also very quiet. Not much going on natural gas. All right, so long the mini Russell, long the mini NASDAQ, and we are short the natural gas. All right, so let's take a look at our stocks. I don't think I have anything yet setting up. Looking at JDST. If I get JDST up here around 580, I'd be interested in it. So I'm gonna have that on the radar this morning. Let's see. GETY. Not too excited about that. It is pretty active though this morning, but I don't want to touch it. INAB, a little bit better. I like the action on INAB. Yeah, I'm going to put a small position on INAB.
OBLG.
Let's get some targets here. $2. See it moving up to $2 INAB, long INAB.
ACHV.
I see it 208. What's that color? All right, a couple targets up here on INAB. Morning, sir. How are you? Long INAB, only trade I have on stocks. Time to get over the $2 mark. Let's see what happens once we hit $2. So see one up here, 218. I'm in INAB at 186. Broke through 2. Next target 208. Also, I have one sitting up here around 218, 219. Nice, good job, sir. It's 212, 213. All right, so I'm getting some more patterns developing. Let's see what other targets we have sitting up here. You have another one sitting up here at, wow, 230.
TRVI.
Still a lot of buying here. A lot of buying. We may be able to get ourselves up to 230. We'll see here. We're sitting right now on 210. I think it hit our third level. So do we hit our third level? Yeah, so we've gone through 3 levels. All right, should see some nice buying coming in here. Like the activity, a lot of action. Pull back a little bit, lower volume.
OBLG.
All right, I like my profit here. I'm going to take my profit. So I'm out, took my profit on INAB. All right, let's see what's going on here. All right, so we are still long on the mini Russell. 1804 target on that mini Russell. Still short the natural gas. Target on my gas, 2145.
MARK.
Mini NASDAQ. Still on the mini NASDAQ. So looking for a target of 131.32.5. Checking on my JDST, nothing there yet. INAB. Out of INAB, just watching here, see what we look at. It looks like, man, ton of buying down here. Wow.
OBLG.
All right, still have a target sitting up here, 230. OBLG, let's look at OBLG. Volume, too little volume. Making new highs, but the volume is way too thin. TMPO. A lot of volume, 11 million already on TMPO, but it looks like it wants to work lower. I'll leave that alone for right now. TMPO. Just running some scans here, seeing if I see anything I like. GTY. Do not like GTY. FRSX, not seeing anything there that I really like yet. Let that one go. CYTO. That's going lower. So I see lower on CYTO, at least for right now. So don't want to touch CYTO.
PTPI.
These are some of the stocks that are just popping up on the radars. They're making new highs, but I don't like the setups. BLUE. BLUE has some potential. Keep that on the radar today. YANG was one we were trading last week. I like it, but no entries. INZY. It's like INZY may want to work a little bit lower in here. Very quiet. HIBS. Come on. HIBS is one that pops up from time to time on our radar. Not seeing it. I mean, I like it. I think it's going to go higher, but
PTPI.
there's no volume. INAB, I may be jumping back into INAB. INAB finally hit that final fourth target. PTPI. Don't want to chase INAB.
DUST.
See if I see anything else setting up. I see another target forming here, 240 on INAB. Come on. Look at PTPI.
JDST.
I don't want to touch PTPI. JDST maybe, yeah, JDST is getting close to my entry of 5.
GANX. BTTX.
81,000 shares on JDST.
STOK.
Little thin there, percent spread.
VBIVSIEN.
I'll watch it at 580 though. I want to keep an eye on that. Look at INAB. Things just continuing to blast higher. But the last thing you want to do is chase a trade. So we're not chasing. It's always tempting to want to get back in, but I don't like chasing. Yeah. All right, so about another 4 minutes here before the opening bell. If anybody has any stock or commodity or Forex pair they want me to look at, I'd be glad to run it across my pattern, see if there's anything setting up. See, and then we can run Einstein against it. Try to get some ideas how far it's going to move. Quick disclaimer, once again, of course, this is for educational purposes only. Remember, trading is always risky.
RMBL.
Do not blindly follow my trades or anybody else's. That is a losing strategy. Also, keep in mind when you're watching us on YouTube, there is a delay on YouTube. I do use Zoom. If you're in our live trading room, of course, there is no delay. But being a short-term trader, delays will definitely not work in your favor. Remember, trading is risky. Never trade with money you can't afford to lose. Always, always practice in a simulator before trading real money.
HUSA.
All right, I have 2 minutes here before the opening bell.
RDHL.
CB traded.
The UST has some potential.
STSA.
BLUE looks good. I just don't have any setups yet on that. HOLO.
HUSA.
Volume's good, 2.9 mil, 2-cent spread. I'll keep it on there. Keep that on the radar. All right, so we're probably going to get a lower opening here on the Dow this morning. I am coming along on the mini Russell and the mini NASDAQ. Short natural gas.
SILX. BITQ. ASPS. ARAV. UFI. SCPH.
AADI. FLUX. SKYT.
DN. CMPS. CKPT. STSA. EVAX. CMCT. FD. GRPN. BYR.
You just hit my
DSGN.
history.
PSCE. RPTX. PVVC. NEGG.
MYTE. ARVL.
CSSE. PYXS, VYNE,
JDST,
SOL,
ARVL, PTPI,
VTCM, CMPS,
JDST.
PYXS,
DUST, JDST,
VITQ,
JDST.
SRTS, WGMI,
NINE, COSM,
RETL, USAU,
DIN,
KALV, DSGN, SOL,
It's up to 590 on
BWEN,
JDST.
DIN,
SOL, KALV,
RPTX,
BEM,
COSM,
EYPT, SHIP, CMPS,
PXJ, UIHC,
GRPN, NOTV, SCPH, RETL, LRMR,
HIBS,
ROOT, GMBL, SOL, TELA, AADI, SHIP,
VYNE,
PLSE, BEM, GMBL, DUST, PVBC.
All right. All right, long JDST.
UFI,
IBIO,
JDST.
WGMI, STOK, BIVI, OBLG, PYXS, BWEN, CURV, AADI, BWEN, ENFN, ENFN,
VYNE,
SCPH, CKPT, GP,
UIHC,
590 first target on JDST.
OBLG,
SEAT, ASPS,
FLUX, BWEN,
What's INAB doing? Always take a look.
CSSE, NOTV, PYXS,
Minor.
KALV,
All right.
CMPS,
All right. So we have JDST. I'm gonna
SILX,
this JDST, long JDST. Target 590. Don't have a whole lot of targets up here.
EYPT,
All right, let's look at some other ones here. ACON, I don't like. EMPO.
EYPT, NETI,
WEBL,
HIBS, ENFN,
NINE,
NINE's been popping up quite a bit on our radar.
PSCE,
Like that one's
PXJ,
low, very low
WEBL,
volume on NINE. Same with HIBS. Like to see a little bit more volume come in on that. PTPI. Not liking PTPI, don't see it there. YANG. Some of the
BWEN.
ones we've watched in the past, nothing there like.
JDST,
Like
PESI.
Okay, my JDST is making new highs. So I want to go ahead and manage this trade here.
SEAT,
BWEN.
Probably not going to carry JDST past 590. Sitting at 582. And at 578.
JDST,
Come on. Once again, that first charge is going to be 590.
IBIO.
JDST, GRPH, TRHC.
Keep an eye on the scanner. The scanner, anything you see over here in green is new highs.
CONN. NEGG. FLUX. NEGG. PIXY.
I
OBLG.
like that selling coming in here. I'm going to take my profit on JDST. Out of JDST, made a little bit on JDST. I wanted to get out of saw wall sells
VITQ.
coming in. And I just don't want to touch that right now. So I'm going to let that go. Out of JDST. I
WEBL,
didn't have a lot of targets up here. When I
NOTV.
don't get a lot of targets, I want to be super careful on it. What I like to see is a lot of upper targets, and I didn't have. I had just pretty much one. So out of that, what
ALXO.
AB doing? INAB is pulling back.
PIXY.
I am flat, nothing on stocks. Let's take a look at the mini NASDAQ seems to be moving. Let me see. Still on the mini NASDAQ, 130, 132.5 is my target.
VYNE,
EYPT.
MYTE, PXJ,
NETI.
CRBP,
Look at that mini NASDAQ. 130, 132.5 target on the mini NASDAQ.
VYNE,
CABA. PHIO.
NINE,
RAIN. GSIT. PHIO.
DSGN,
SILX. DRN. PVBC.
VYNE, MYTE, WEBL, PSCE, DSGN,
TRVI.
MARK,
HIBS.
PXJ, NINE,
WVE. SILX.
Okay, also getting close to my upper target on
TLYS.
Russell.
WEBL VYNE CRESY COSM
APEI. WVE. HIBS. KRBP. NXPL.
COSM VYNE EVAX
USAU.
ARAV
DRN.
VYNE GHL
USAU.
SEAT
Profit target hit.
IBIO.
Out of the
UFI.
VYNE
Russell.
PTPI.
FUV
WISA.
Watching mini NASDAQ getting closer to target. It's getting ready to hit right now.
HIBS.
Profit target hit. Mini Russell just hit. Out of mini Russell. I'm sorry, out of the mini NASDAQ.
STOK
So out of the mini Russell, out of the mini
ENFM.
NASDAQ, still short natural gas. Target natural gas once again is going to bring it down to 21.45.
RETL
This is an HF2 short. This is an HF2 short on the natural gas. Also have a short on the gold. Have a short on the gold.
VYNE UIHC
ALXO.
MYTE
DRN.
All right, let's get a target on this gold.
ALXO.
All right, so we're getting an HF short on gold. I like HF1 pattern short. Target's going to bring me down to, let's go ahead and enter this in here.
IBIO. ALXO.
That's an HF1 short.
NINE
Bring me down to
DRN.
18,
ALXO.
1984.
RVPH.
RETL PXJ STOK RETL
All right, so now we're short gold and short the natural gas.
TELA. RPTX.
MYTE BYRN WEBL BYRN, COSM, GRPH.
IBIO, TELA.
Target on my gold is gonna be down here
ALXO,
at 4.
NXPL. IBIO,
You see some pretty good buy about down here around 1980, but that is below my target. So I think I'm okay on this.
KZIA,
WVE, GHL. FUV,
I said yes, looks like it may want to come down a little bit.
BYRN, ACHV. ACHV, PSCE.
Now,
GP,
Dow's up 29. All the indices are up a little bit here.
TZOO,
SRTS, PVPV,
ACHV. BYRN,
Way out of JDST. Nothing on JDST. Never did jump back into INAB.
EMBK,
Nothing on the INAB. Now we may have some additional trades later, but right now I don't see anything on
NINE,
INAB.
STSA.
INZY, that was on the radar the other day. No, don't like it. HIDS once again,
STSA.
just not enough volume yet. YANG. I like it. It looks like it wants to go higher, but
CMPS, BCTX,
I have one pattern setting up, but it's a little bit longer term. That would project me up
JOAN.
dollars.
CMPS,
About a 30-cent.
RETL. CONN.
Ooh.
JOAN. SFT.
STSA. Oh, JOAN. I saw that last week. Too thin. Not enough volume. HOLO.
STOK. KALV.
BLUE. Like BLUE wants to come down. ACON. Ooh. Not seeing anything there either. Okay, I want to get back into INAB. Let's watch INAB, maybe having a buy coming up.
STOK. TRHC. EVER. LRMR.
I'd like to see this INAB come up to around 256.
CRBP. ASPS. STOK.
DRN. PHIO. IBIO. DRN.
1 million
RETL.
already on INAB. Yeah, that's a biotech
EVAX.
company. That's been a hot sector.
DRN.
TZOO.
So see if it wants to heat up.
JOAN. PSCE.
See anything there yet?
CMPS. VCTX. VBIV.
EIVI. NINE.
Hey, weren't you, Glenn, weren't you looking at coin?
CRBP.
I could see coin coming up higher. If you can get coin up to,
DSGN.
you can get coin up to 57. Yeah, there we go. So it's a buy. 57.67. Nice little entry right there.
CMPS.
It's
DRN.
CUV.
There's a pairing pattern target up to 5808.
DSGN. NETI.
NMTC.
BITQ.
Yeah, that goes to INAB. Look at INAB.
PXJ. NINE.
DRN.
NETI. RVPH. NETI.
IBIO.
CUV. DSGN. UIHC.
CMPS.
BYRN.
Let's see if we can
NINE.
get INAB.
WISA.
I went ahead and got in light on INAB.
BWEN.
MRKR.
PHIO. TLYS.
NETI.
All right, let's see 260 first.
CABA. PTPI. PHIO. ENSC.
263.
ENSC.
Get some clustering up here. 268.
BYRN.
Big sell order sitting up there at 280.
PTPI.
NINE. PXJ.
Got back in at 2.
WISA.
NETI.
BWEN.
Right here.
EVER.
Okay, folks, we are coming up to the top of the hour. If you'd like a little bit more information about my trading style that I've been using for the last 35 years, you can find that at my YouTube channel, Innovative Trading Strategies, or my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. I do
GRPN.
teach these patterns and this method. Einstein, which is still available, will be taken off the market here shortly. So I will not be offering Einstein anymore. That will not be available.
CKPT.
It will be, it's going to be something that I've wanted to always keep a bit of
SKYT.
exposure.
BYRN.
And so I will be taking that off of the market, but everything else will be available. You will still have access to Einstein through our live chat.
WISA.
UIHC.
I just won't be teaching the method. All right, so INAB. So what's it wants to do here? Coming down, I'm going to go ahead and pull out. Got out of INAB. I didn't want to go through this pullback.
RVPH.
And we're at the top of the hour, so that's going to wrap it up for today, folks. Thank you for joining us. Please be sure that please give me a like and also subscribe to our channel. If you like these daily videos, I will continue on as long as I have an interest in them. I do the first hour is available to everybody. Next 2 hours, I do trade in our live trading room with our subscribers. If you'd like to
GRPN.
join that live room where we don't have this delay, please contact me. We can just set up with that. And that is going to wrap it up. Everybody have a good day. We'll see you first thing tomorrow morning.
BYRN.